AMS 2140 print functions. In this tutorial, we will explain the print functions of the AMS 2140. As we review the print options, you'll note a visual reference to the CSI 2140. Please be aware that this product has been rebranded as AMS. Here you see the home screen of the AMS 2140. To review print functions, we must first move to the Alt 2 page. Select General Setup, and then F6 for print mode. Here you can select your preferred print option or turn off printing. For this example, we will choose to save as a bitmap on the memory card. So how can we use this functionality? Suppose we want to capture a plot from route mode. If you push Print Plot located in the upper right of the screen, you will be asked to give the plot a name. For now, we will call this plot 1 and save it to the memory card. This action can be done from basically any screen where you see the Print Plot button. Let's look at another print option from route mode. On the Alt 2 page, you see the Print Route report in the lower right. From here, you can send the complete route or a part of your route as images. This route has 24 data points, but I only wish to print 4 points for the report. I want to print all the route data that was collected, as well as the bar graphs. You can print bar graphs with or without labels. I will include labels, notes, and plots, but not analyze data. When I push print, I'm asked for a file name. I will call this 2, and then create the bitmap files for the 4 points selected. You also have the option to send the same report directly to the computer as an image file. To do so, you need to go back to print mode and select Print to PC, and connect the AMS 2140 to the PC where you are running AMS Machinery Manager. While you are looking at the plot on the analyzer, you can use F7 Print Plot to send the plot as a document to the data transfer screen. You can see the name of the machine, the measurement point, the spectrum, peak list, and waveform. From here, it is easy to save it as a file on your computer. You can also go back to the Report module and choose to print the route report. Again, I will select points 1 through 4. Now you have several pages showing the name of the point, the parameters, spectrum, peak list, and waveforms. And just as with the plot, you can save this file to your computer. This concludes our tutorial. Please continue watching to select from other recommended tutorials, or visit the AMS Reliability channel for the AMS 2140 playlist. Additional product information can be found at emerson.com/AMS2140. Thank you for watching.